Everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can identify and merge duplicate contacts in your command contacts. So the first thing we want to do is we want to log into command, which is agent.kw.com with our KW login credentials. Once we're logged in, we are going to navigate over to the contacts applet. Our applets menu is on the left-hand side, and the contacts is going to be the square with the person inside of it. You can also expand this whole menu by clicking the red square with the white KW, and then you'll be able to find those applets with the full name on there. And then you'll just click that same square to minimize it. Once you are in your contacts, you are going to click these three dots right up here next to the Import Contacts button. And we're going to click Check for Duplicates. It tells us it's scanning for duplicates. It can take a few minutes. They'll notify us when it's ready. We only have a few contacts in here, so it might be ready if we're just going to click refresh. And we'll see that notification bell went from 107 to 108. So that means that we just got a notification about our search for duplicates. So we're going to click on our notification bell, and it's going to say there's 2 pairs of potential duplicates to review. We're going to click Review Duplicates, and it's going to bring us to our settings to the Database Cleanup tab under Duplicates. To access the same page, and go to the home just to show you how to access that same page. You're going to click the name in the top right corner, click Settings, Command Settings, Contacts, and we're going to go down to Database Cleanup, and you'll find it. It's going to show the same scan we just did, last scanned on October 29th. We can also click Check for Duplicates right here, and it's going to do the same thing. It can take several minutes. They'll notify us when it's ready. But here you'll be able to see the different contacts we have. So you can see we have, based off of the same first name, you'll see right here, person McPherson, person McPherson, and demo person are both flagged as potential duplicates. So we can review it. We'll see both contacts with the name and the email address. And then we can either ignore it or we can merge it. I'm going to say merge on this one right here. We'll say merge, and it's going to say which ones to merge over. So if it doesn't have an opportunity, agent site connection, smart plan, or anything like that, you would be able to merge either way. This one you'll see this person has an opportunity linked to it. So you can show more fields and you'll see all of the fields through here. But you'll see this one has opportunities in here. And so we're only able to keep this one and merge this one. So we can select those, and then we'll just say continue. It's going to have us review and finalize the merge, and it's going to add the second one, the second email under an additional email, and then we'll just say merge and delete duplicate. And then we can go view the contact details, and we will see the primary email has remained the same, but if we scroll down, that duplicate email has been added in here. And we also see it on our contact timeline that they were merged together. We can view the merge history clicking here. We can see it under the same tab we were on with our database cleanup. Just switch over to the merge history. So now we're going to look at this other one we have, and we'll say merge on this one. And again, it's going to tell us this one has an opportunity linked to it. So we can merge it, or we can cancel it and we can ignore that. Say we want to keep both. And then it'll tell us we have no potential duplicates to review. And we can either go back to our contacts or scan for duplicates again. If we are in our contacts applet, if we scan for duplicates and there are no duplicates, it's going to give us a notification like this one right here, database scan completed, no pairs of potential duplicates found. We know that we are good to go. If you have any questions or run into any snags with any of this, please let us know. We are here to help out. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.